Hey there, fellow explorers and history buffs. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating discovery that's got the maritime archaeology world buzzing. Get ready for an adventure as we explore France's deepest shipwreck, a hidden gem that's offering us a unique glimpse into the past. Imagine a merchant ship, loaded with precious cargo, resting at a staggering depth of 2.5 kilometers beneath the Mediterranean Sea. This is no ordinary shipwreck. It's a time capsule, preserved by the extreme conditions of the deep sea. But how did we even find it? Well, that's where our story gets even more intriguing. Enter the A6K, an incredible autonomous underwater drone. This bad boy can withstand the immense pressure of the abyssal zone and is equipped with cutting-edge technology. Using side-scan sonar and HD cameras, the A6K can see in total darkness, mapping the ocean floor and revealing secrets that were previously hidden. It's like having a robotic explorer with superpowers. Now, let's talk about the ship itself. Dubbed Camarat 4, this 16th-century vessel is a treasure trove of historical artifacts. With its cargo of ceramics and cannons, it's a window into the trade and warfare of the Renaissance era. But what's truly remarkable is its state of preservation. The constant water temperature and absence of oxygen at these depths have created a perfect environment for the ship's wooden timbers to remain intact. It's like the ship has been frozen in time, waiting for us to uncover its story. And uncover it we did. The French Navy's Cephisimer team, along with the A6K, mapped the shipwreck site in incredible detail. Using advanced sonar and photogrammetry, they created high-definition images of the 30-meter hull, allowing archaeologists to piece together the ship's story. But the story doesn't end there. The ceramics found at the site provide clues about the ship's origins. Many of them bear the symbol of Christ, suggesting a connection to religious organizations. This opens up a whole new avenue of research and speculation. Could this ship have been involved in some sort of religious trade or mission? It's a fascinating thought, and one that adds an extra layer of intrigue to this already captivating discovery. As we reflect on this incredible find, it's clear that the A6K and its technology have revolutionized maritime archaeology. The ability to explore and map shipwrecks at such depths opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Who knows what other hidden gems are waiting to be discovered? So, there you have it, folks. A deep-sea adventure, a time capsule, and a glimpse into the past. It's a reminder of the incredible stories that lie beneath the waves, just waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning, because there's always more to discover.